Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by inviting Level Up to your server and granting it the permissions it needs. This avoids role hierarchy errors later. Once invited, immediately give the bot a role above any roles it will assign so it can manage them. Make sure text permissions like send messages and read message history are active because the bot tracks activity. Confirm the bot appears online and that its role settings match your moderation plan before proceeding to configuration steps. Next, configure how users earn XP and what ranks mean. Use the / command to set XP per message and a reasonable cooldown so spam doesn't inflate totals. This maintains fairness. Create rank roles that reflect milestones and map each role to an XP threshold, so role assignment becomes automatic. Also set channel exclusions for bots or off-topic rooms, and decide whether level notifications appear in chat or DM. This prevents log spam and respects user privacy. Finish by testing thoroughly. Use a test account or ask a colleague to send messages and confirm XP accrual and role assignment. Once tests pass, enable auto role and welcome automation for new members to streamline onboarding. If something goes wrong, roles failing to assign is common. Check the bot's role position, ensure manage roles permission, and inspect channel-specific overrides. Often a single denied permission blocks changes. After fixes, rerun the test so you're confident everything works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.